Look, this guy is supposed to be doing construction work, but instead, it looks like he's drawing something. The story behind this is both funny and heartbreaking. He's broke, struggling to make ends meet, and with a family to take care of. No matter how hard he works, it's never enough. One day, his boss jokingly told him, "If you can make art with the cement, I might just pay you more." Most workers would have laughed it off, but not him. He grabbed his tools and started drawing, pouring his heart into every stroke, catching the attention of everyone around. But when payday came, his boss just laughed and said, "I was only joking, buddy." No bonus, no extra pay, just empty words. Show the man some love by dropping a like.